Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at a crucial component for Mac Studio users, the genuine 370 watt power supply unit, specifically models A2901 and A2615, designed for the 2022 and 2023 Mac Studio M1 and M2 machines. This PSU carries the Apple part numbers 661 to 18,533 and 661 to 18,534. If you're experiencing power issues with your Mac Studio, or perhaps you're building a custom setup and need a reliable power source, this could be the solution. It's important to note that this is a 100% genuine part, not an aftermarket alternative. This ensures compatibility and reliability, which is paramount when dealing with sensitive electronics like those found in the Mac Studio. This PSU is compatible with both the A2901 Mac Studio released in 2023 and the A2615 Mac Studio from 2022. The connector type is ATX, a standard that ensures broad compatibility. With an output of 370 watts, it provides ample power for the M1 and M2 chips and all the other components within a Mac Studio. The dimensions are roughly 6 by 6 by 6 inches. This compact size is designed to fit perfectly within the Mac Studio's chassis, maintaining its sleek and efficient design. Using a genuine Apple power supply is crucial for maintaining the longevity and stability of your Mac Studio. Aftermarket PSUs might not meet the stringent quality control standards of Apple, potentially leading to power fluctuations, overheating, or even component failure. Investing in a genuine replacement like this one ensures that your Mac Studio receives the correct and stable power it needs to operate at its best. If you're having power issues with your Mac Studio, this could be the best option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.